In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe form in Hosting a Website Builder. If you want to collect email addresses from visitors and start building your audience, adding a subscribe form is a simple and effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the subscribe form option in Hosting a Website Builder and how to customize it so it fits your website. To get started, open your Hostinger account and go to the website you want to edit. Once you're inside your dashboard, click Edit Website. This will open the Hostinger Website Builder, where you can make changes to your site visually and see everything as you work. After the editor loads, look for the option to add a new section. Click Add Section and then choose Elements. This area contains different tools and content blocks that you can place on your website, such as text, images, buttons, and forms. From the available elements, click Subscribe. This will insert a subscribe form into your website layout. Once it appears on the page, you can move it into the section where you want visitors to see it most clearly. A good placement is usually somewhere easy to notice, like the home page, a contact area, or near the bottom of a page where people are ready to take action. Next, click Edit Form. This is where you can adjust the form settings and make it match the purpose of your website. Here you can enter the form name and the email field details, and you can also customize the other available settings. Take a moment to review everything carefully so the form looks clear and professional. It's a good idea to keep the form simple and easy to understand, especially if your goal is to encourage more sign-ups. As you customize the form, make sure the text is straightforward and the layout matches the style of your website. A clean form with clear wording usually works best because visitors immediately understand what they need to do. Once you're done making changes, click Update Website. This saves your edits and publishes the subscribe form so it becomes visible to your site visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added a subscribe form in Hosting a Website Builder. If you want, you can preview the page after updating to make sure the form looks good on your site and fits naturally with the rest of your content.